Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today I share with you this mouth-watering Ghanaian beef and assorted fish light soup or pepper soup recipe with you all. If you're new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Let's dive right into it. So to begin with, I'll start by cooking my vegetables. So to a pot, I'll go in with my garden eggs, pepper, fresh tomatoes. I'll also go in with some onions. You can go in with any vegetable of your choice, alright? I'll go in with some water as well, enough water to cook these vegetables. Now cover it and allow it to cook until it's nice and soft. And we are back to check on the vegetables and it's looking all soft and ready to blend. So I'll blend it and set it aside. Now whilst that is going on, I will also start by frying some fish, and yes, I'm going to be using both fresh fish and also smoked fish as well. But for my fresh fish, I'll be frying it a little bit, and after adding it to the soup, trust me, you are definitely going to love it. So I have my oil heating up already. I'll sprinkle a little bit of flour to it, and also I'll go in with my fish. For the fish, you can as well use any fish or any fresh fish of your choice. And I've already seasoning this fish with some salt, garlic and ginger paste, and also a little bit of fish seasoning. All right, while that is going on, we also want to start by steaming our beef. So to a pot, I'll go in with my fresh beef. I'll also go in with some salted pork and salted beef as well. It is totally optional, right? So to seasoning these proteins, I'll go in with some meat seasoning powder, salty taste, garlic and ginger paste as well. You can also use any seasoning of your choice to season your meat. Next, I'll go in with some tomato paste. You can also use fresh tomatoes if that is what you want. I'll go in with some water, cover it and allow it to steam very well. Whilst that is going on, we are also back to check on our fish, and at this point I will use my skewer to flip it over just the way you see it on your screens right now, to allow the other side to also fry very well. Alright, so I'm back to check on the meat and it's doing all good and just perfect. So I'll give it a gentle stir, and the stock on the meat is still not thick enough, so I'll give it a gentle stir, cover it again and allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until it thickens up a little bit. And we are also back to check on the fish as well, and at this point it's looking all good and perfect. So at this point I'm going to remove all the fish from the oil and set it aside. While that is going on, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so I am back to check on the meat for the second time, and it is looking all good and perfect. So I'll go in with my blended vegetables which I cooked earlier on. Alright, afterwards you need to go in with more water because you're making light soup, and the consistency of your soup really depends on how thick or light you want your soup to be. And afterwards I'll go in with my fried fish. You can allow the soup to cook a little bit before you go in with it, but since I've already cooked the meat for a very long time, I needed to go in with the fish as well. I'll give it a gentle stir, and I'll also go in with my smoked catfish as well. For the catfish or the smoked fish, you can also go in with any fish of your choice. I'll stir very well, cover it and allow it to cook. After about 10 to 15 minutes of cooking, I will open it halfway And I have other fish that I want to introduce to the soup as well, which I'll be going in with some apatire. The small fish, the way is very delicious. I hope everybody tries it. But before I add it to the soup, I need to roast it a little bit. Roasting your apatire before you add it to your soup really enhance the taste of your light soup. Trust me, if you haven't tried it before, please do well, and you are definitely going to love it. All right, and remember to also be roasting this on low heat so that you don't get it burnt, because already it has already been roasted. So you just have to heat it up a little bit for you to get that smoky vibes on it. Then you go in with it. All right. Alright, so I am back to check on the soup once more, and it's almost done. So I'll go in with my roasted apatire. It's always advisable for you to go in with this fish very late in the soup because it's very soft. When you go in with the fish very early, you might not have even one to enjoy, so you just have to be mindful with it. Afterwards, you just have to check for salt and everything, because at this point the soup is all done. So we're going to allow it to simmer a little bit for about 10 minutes on a low medium heat, and afterwards the soup should be very good and ready, just the way you see it on the screens right now. Our beef and assorted fish light soup or pepper soup is ready. So now all that is left is for us to serve ourselves and enjoy. And obviously I'm going to be pairing this with my fufu. You can also enjoy this with any swallow or anything of your choice. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this beef and fish light soup or pepper soup recipe with you. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try, and you are definitely going to love it. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to my channel, also turn on the post notification bell as well, and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.